Do you find being on a diet, you feel like your choices are really restricted? Well, I've put together a playlist of 7 different meals that I regularly enjoy that do not feel like diet food. The first one up's a bit of a cheat because it's one I released as a short a couple of weeks ago and I forgot to shoot any normal widescreen footage. So I'll let this idiot tell you about it. Food tracking surprises me. I banged this together tonight and it was purely because I fancied it. But when I entered it into MyFitnessPal, 500 tasty. Doesn't even look like diet food, does it? And the steak, just as I like it, a bit on the rare side. And it really blew me away coming in at just over 500 calories with nearly 50 grams of protein. Now you could have had chips or sweet potato fries. It's just, you can have a really tasty steak dinner and be on plan. Now surely that has got to be the days worth living for when you're on a diet. Boom. As I say, I couldn't really believe it when I added it up anyway. A steak dinner for 500 calories and the best bit of 50 grams of protein. But that's the thing. When you learn how to food track and you're tracking for a calorie deficit, you learn the values of certain foods. And a lot of foods that we consider, oh God, that's a belly buster, are actually perfectly acceptable. You know, that was just normal steak, not particularly lean, it was just a piece of rum. Now if that had been chicken, it would have been way too few calories for an evening meal. In fact, if you're having something that's only got that many calories, maybe you should have a light starter or even a pudding. There's 6 more in this playlist that are exactly like that. So keep on watching, go over to the weekly diary and keep on following. Dieting is not a chore.